Okay, this one says determine the domain of the following function. Can you see they are all logarithm, right? All right, first, before we can do that, let's define it. Y equals to the logarithm, open bracket, I will put here the a there, and then down there I'll put the base. I'm just putting them in bracket. Now the domain of this, first you'll take the a must be greater than 0, meaning it must be positive. Number 2, the b must be greater than 0. At the same time, the b must not be equals to 1. This is how you determine the domain. This is how it is. As long in place of a and b, there is a letter. We good, ne? Now, something, I'm going to put a question mark in the bracket. Something to a square, not necessarily square, it's always plus. Not necessarily a square, but an even number. Anything to the power of even, it's already positive. You got it? Yeah. Okay, so we don't have to worry. So that means when you do the logarithm, where I am putting a blue box and where I'm putting a red box, you can only put positive numbers. But on the red, you can't use 1. 1 is positive, but it's not allowed. Okay. 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 Let me see if there's someone, because somebody sent some stuff and I don't think they're joining. They're just posting stuff there in a group. All right. Here we go. So now, watch now. We are going to use this restriction here. All right, let me write this question here so that it's on this side. So alphabet A, so that you can compare with the definition. So we have log, the base is 3, open bracket, we got 3x minus 1. Now listen to me. Where there is a, the a must be greater than what? 0, ne? Your a, it's this thing here. So that means you're going to have to write number 1, 3x minus 1 must be greater than 0, and then solve for x there. 3x is greater than 1. Divide by 3, and then x is greater than 1 over the 3. We happy, ne? That is for the a. Okay? Now the b, the one that I'm putting in a box, it must be positive. But since it's a number, you can see it's positive. Can't you see 3 is positive? Yeah, so 3 is fine. Leave it alone because it's a number. I said you do this restriction if they are letters. So the first solution, it's this one. X is greater than 1 over the 3. So, yeah. It changes when you divide by minus. Minus something, yeah. If it's positive, it remains the same. You see? Yeah. Let me show you the logic. Let me show you a logic. 4 is greater than 2, correct? Let's divide both sides by whatever. Let's divide by 4 or 2. Let's divide by 4. Let's divide by 4. So I'm dividing by 4. When I divide by 4 here, I've got 1. When I divide by 4, it's 1 over 2. Now you tell me now, without putting the sign, which one is bigger? So it's go like this, because I said this is the mouth. This is the mouth of Pac-Man. Pac-Man must open his mouth. He must eat the bigger pizza, the bigger burger. He loves the bigger burger. The mouth must be open to the bigger number all the time. So can you see it's logic? Now let's try again. Let's have 4 is greater than 2. But this time let's divide. We can use -4 and then -4. All right, in our mind it's -4, -4. Meaning on the left it's -1, the other side it's -half. Which one is bigger? I open the mouth to eat the half. Can you see the sign changes? It's just logic. Yeah, it's a logic. Another one, it's when you turn them upside down. If I've got 4, it's greater than 2. You already know it's 2 over 1. It's 4 over 1. Isn't it right? Let's write 1 over 4. The 4 upside down. It's 1 over 4. Do the other side, 1 over 2. Now, which one is bigger now? There. So you reverse the sign when you divide by minus. You reverse the sign if you flip both sides. All right. Anyway, you got it now. All right. So we tackle the first one. So